Here in today's video, we're going to dive in deep, part 2, and talking about Amazon KDP profitable keywords that have to do with the trivia niche. Now this is part 2. Part 1 will be linked in the description box below. You can access that, where we discuss 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords to do with the niche of the trivia books. Now these are a type of medium content books that contain fun facts, and we're going to dive into a couple of different niches that you need to know about, as well as diving in how you can be able to choose the correct size for these, and also be able to get interiors and graphics to create your KDP books regarding trivia. Now that being said, let's head over to the Amazon browser and have a look at the keywords that I have for you today. First keyword is a Bible trivia game book for adults. Now, Bible trivia game book for adults has a good keyword niche score of 56 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension, and it has a good keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro. So this one's by Titans, this one's by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche, and they beautifully complement each other. Coming to the total results, they're a little bit high, totaling 3,601. The average bestseller rank is 566,826. Then again, a little bit high, but I'm going to talk about how to niche down, and I'm also going to talk about how you can be able to use this keyword as part of your 7 keyword slot, so not rely on it completely for the title or subtitle, yet still be able to utilize the profitability metrics of this wonderful keyword and not overlook it. The average reviews are 256 and average price is $10.74. Now, one way you can be able to niche down is through sizing. You want to create maybe a pocket size one, which is a travel size, preferably an 8.5 times 8.5, or maybe a 6 by 9, or even much more less in size as well, smaller in size, my apologies. So that's one way to niche down, is according to the sizing. The second way to niche down is according to the aesthetic look and feel of it. For example, do you want it to be a glossy one? Some people prefer their books to have a glossy cover, and also you can be able to niche down based on the theme. Some people will like it to be more of a botanical theme in terms of the cover and the interior. They want it to have specific elements to it, which is mostly botanical, herbal, floral, that kind of thing. Other people like it to be more of a vintage theme, especially when it comes to anything to do with the Bible and a religious look and feel. Vintage and botanical work best, so that's one way to be able to do that. Also, if you currently have anything to do with a Bible game book for adults, or a Bible coloring book for adults, and it's so best to create a botanical or a vintage theme for this wonderful keyword. Then again, as I said, if you currently have anything in your Amazon KDP portfolio that revolves around the Bible and it is a book for adults, go ahead and update the 7 keyword slots and add this keyword to get your book ranking for this wonderful keyword right over here as well. Now, there are books that are selling under this keyword, including the Bible trivia game, which currently has a bestseller of 95,783. There's also brain games to do with Bible puzzles as well that are ranking for this keyword. Now, there are also bestseller ranks that are much more lower as well, that are outlined below. You can have a look at that when you're doing your individual research as well, which I've showed you exactly how to start your individual research. Now, that being said, let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and the second keyword for the day is trivia book for seniors with dementia. Trivia book for seniors with dementia is a beautiful long tail keyword. It has everything that we need to get started with this keyword. First of all, a really strong and solid keyword niche score by Self-Publishing Titans of 85, which is good to see, and total results are under 1,000, and they're currently sitting at 294. Average bestseller rank is within that 400,000 mark, and is currently averaging 400,725, which is also a good indicator. Average reviews are 204. Average price is $11. Now, what are we creating? We're creating a trivia book. Who is it for? It's for seniors, but specifically seniors with dementia. So we want to have it as entertaining and as simplistic and minimalistic as possible as well. Very minimalistic in terms of the wording, very basic and and simple in that way as well for seniors with dementia, and also try to create it simple and for beginners as well. That way you'd get your book ranking, and it's beautiful to utilize this keyword. Really strong, solid keyword niche score. So also I'm going to ignore the number 4 given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, because it does not complement this beautiful data right here. Really strong keywords niche score, total results under 1,000, average bestseller rank within the mark that we want it to be, which is around that 300,000 range. So that was the second keyword for the day. Let's head over to the third keyword for the day. And the third keyword for the day is trivia questions and answers book for seniors, and it has a keyword niche score of 52 and a keyword niche score of number 9 for by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which is the highest on the scale in terms of keyword niche score. And I'm quite happy with both of the scores given by both of the main Chrome extensions. Coming into the total results, that are totaling 589. Average bestseller rank is quite high, but this is a perfect keyword to utilize for your 7 keyword slots. I personally would not be using this keyword for the title or for the subtitle. I will personally be using this keyword for anything to do with a game book for seniors. So if you currently have on your Amazon KDP a puzzle book for seniors, a Sudoku for seniors, any game book for seniors, go ahead and add this keyword as part of your 7 keyword slots. It's a beautiful long tail keyword that can be customized for your 7 keyword slots. Then again, don't create a book under this title or subtitle. Utilize it only for the 7 keyword slots. Also, the average reviews are 96 and average price is $10.58. And you could also see the exact strategy that I've talked about being implemented for many of the books that have a really low bestseller rank. For example, this one as well, which is not sponsored. There are no ads running, and currently has a bestseller rank of 60,201, selling around 90 pieces per month. And you can't see that exact same keyword in the title and the subtitle. In this case, it doesn't even have a subtitle, but this keyword has been utilized in the 7 keyword slots on the back end as well. We've also got other ones as well, which are selling quite well, and they're utilizing this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots, which is also good to see. So there you go. There are 3 keywords that you can utilize for both your title, your subtitle, and in this case for the third one, for your 7 keyword slots. I really hope you've been enjoying the series. I try to get as much detailed and as in-depth as possible, and also consume most of my time on a full-time basis in the researching. As you can see, I've got many browsers that are open, that are updated on a daily basis in order to have that Amazon KDP keyword research consistent. It's a consistent part of my daily routine in order to give you the most updated list of profitable Amazon KDP keywords on a daily basis. So I give you around between 3 to 5 keywords a day, depending on my routine, and I do the research beforehand, and on the exact same day I go ahead and I refresh the keywords in order to keep you informed on the most updated keyword niche score and results and so forth, because they are also consistently changing. So let's quickly summarize the 3 keywords for today's video, starting with Bible trivia game for adults with a keyword niche score of 56. And the second one was trivia book for seniors with dementia with a keyword niche score of 85. And the third one was trivia questions and answers book for seniors with a keyword niche score of 52 and number 9. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.